Alright, so this is my display case that I've started putting my collection of uranium ore inside and other things. I've got another one of these for something else that comes along, like a little stand there. But I have some different uranium ores here. I have my two pieces I've shown before, and then these are all new except for that one. That one I've had for the past year or so, but these three, and then this one is new. I have some more on the way. I also have some uranium metal here. This is just a 3-gram sample from United Nuclear, and then I have some uranium ore fragments that broke off from that piece. Or it might have been that piece, but I think it was that piece. Two more pieces of uranium metal in this dial, but they're all oxidized over. I have some more uranium metal in here that you can see a little bit better. This is all depleted, so there's no real danger. And then over here, and this, I have some yellow cake, ammonium diuranate. You can see it there. It's like a white, just a yellow powder. In front of that, some scintillation glass. Now, down the second level here, we have two CDV 715s, a Russian, Soviet X-ray tube manufactured at the Svetlana factory. Runs on about 160,000 volts. I have more information, but that's the documentation for it. And then I have a CTC, or also known as an STS-5 Geiger tube. And then below here, I have a DP5V Soviet Geiger counter that does function. Working on some battery adapters and just to get some B batteries that it runs on, so weird battery size. I have another I have a DP63 on the way, the one with the very radioactive radium face on it that glows in the dark. That should be pretty cool. Came with the box and everything. The box is pretty corroded, the latches, but for the most part, it's in pretty good condition. It's also got like the leather case for it, and then I have some of the documentation that I purchased previously for it. But yeah, that's pretty much my display case right now. Got some crap on top here that I'm going to be cleaning up. Going to figure out something to put in these two little things I have, and then my radon detector. See what the radon levels are in my basement right now, because I live in the southeastern Pennsylvania, which is known for radon issues. Let's see here. 2.62 picocuries per liter for 10 days, long-term average. Not too bad, not too bad. It's actually pretty good. There was a house near here that had a 2-week average of 8 picocuries per liter, which is pretty bad. Now, that house was vacant, so not a lot of air movement going through the house. Probably a lot better now that people are actually living in it, that, air's moving, but what are you going to do? So, yeah. That's just my current setup for my display case here. I got this display case from IKEA for, I think, $150. Just something simple to house all my uranium ores and radioactive stuff. I'm going to have a lot more uranium ore coming. And hopefully I ordered some of the Highlight Opal, which contains a small amount of uranium. Fluoresces. It's pretty cool looking. Oh, I also modified one of these IKEA magnetic lights to have some UV LEDs in it, so it kind of lights up the, uranium glass a little bit, and then the uranium ore there. But I have a couple more pieces of uranium ore on their way. A very big, beautiful piece of torbanite, which I'm very excited about. It's about the size of, I think it's about the size of this. But I'm excited about that. That's coming in the mail from France, and it's taking its time. In fact, my package from Russia was here. Well, actually, no, it was Ukraine. My package from Ukraine took a week to go from, actually, it only took like 4 days to go from Ukraine to the United States. This package in France, it's been a week, hasn't moved from France yet. So I'm not too happy about that, but what are you going to do? But I got a couple more pieces coming. I'll make some videos about those when they come. So, yeah. I also will be doing some uranium prospecting soon that I'll definitely make a video on, of my journey up to Jim Thorpe, Pennsylvania. There's a couple areas up there. Back in 1894, they discovered uranium ore up there, and there's some abandoned stuff down up there. I'm going to go poking around looking for some uranium ore. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. I'll see you guys next time.